on, shoot the vacuum.
Nice. That was a good one.
Good one, pop up around it too.
Go on there. I'm gonna try hitting the hose again.
Everyone stops shooting. Give me like a second.
That hose just rips in half.
Yeah!
Yeah.